American football season is coming back soon, and I am going to show you 5 shirt niches that are already selling. Football is the most popular sport in the United States and it has the most searches for shirts, as seen in this Google Trends 5-year graph. I'm going to use Flying Research's bestseller tool where I will type in football in the search bar. I'm going to choose .com for the marketplace and sort by newest. This will give me the newest bestsellers, so they will most likely have the most current demand. Eat, Sleep, Check My Lineup, Repeat. Eat, Sleep, Repeat is a classic design theme in Amazon merch shirts. This design was uploaded on August 4th, has already sold, and will continue to sell throughout the season. The design is about fantasy football, and if you have ever played fantasy football, you know that you are constantly checking your lineup during the games to see how your team is doing. It is showing 381 results for fantasy football. But sometimes if you go to the next pages, it'll show the actual results. Over 6,000 results. A popular fantasy football seller is these I Suck at Fantasy Football shirts. These designs are purchased as a punishment for the loser in a friend's fantasy football league. You have to get creative to design an embarrassing shirt that someone will buy to ridicule their friends. Lineman because brick wall isn't an official position. This is in the football player position niche. You can do any and all positions and they should be relatively lower competition than the other football shirts. There are only 153 results for American football lineman. There are only 142 results for American football wide receiver. Football team sister. This is a good scalable design. You can design a base template or hire someone to make a base design and then switch sister with mom, dad, brother, etc. This is another recent seller that is also a scalable design. By switching papa with other people, you can get many designs out of one idea. Classy until kickoff. This is another design for a football girl. It does have more competition with 785 results, and as you can see, many of the top results are sweaters and long sleeves. Always look for these types of patterns and make some designs specifically for a garment type. Football season takes place in the fall and winter, so it makes sense for this one. Bride Squad 23. This is in the wedding and bride niche combined with football. It has a jersey theme and is also a matching shirt because it is for a group of bachelorettes to wear in a group. The term Bride Squad has 208 results. If you search Bride Squad 2023, it only has 44 results. So make sure to include 2023 in your listing for SEO. You can find great football graphics for your shirts at vecteasy.com and vexels.com. Check them out in the links in my description. Thank you for watching.